Hi guys, I'm Mini Dobby and this is Mini Diaries. Welcome to the AC Dodd tuning day. We're on day 2. Sorry I didn't capture much footage yesterday. I had my car tuned and it was a hectic day tuning and it was a hectic day tuning 10 cars. So it was such a good day yesterday. My car is running so much smoother. I want to capture some of this man's wizardry. And are you coming on to say hello, eh? Here he is himself, everyone, the magician, the
Hi
wizard,
everybody.
fixing all of our worn out carbs and dizzies. I know mine wasn't great, and thank you for yesterday.
No worries, mate. No worries, mate. We've got another day of cars to go through today, and hopefully we'll sort out any carburettor, any needles, any ignition timing issues, and have them running really smooth. All right?
Yeah, no, I think it's such a good thing that we've done yesterday. I wanted to capture more of it today and show everyone
No
what
problem.
it's about. I think everyone should be doing it. And at shows as well, if you're prepared to do shows and stuff like that.
Absolutely.
That's how my brain was ticking.
You'll find me, I'll be down at the Riviera run at the end of the month, so I'll be there in the little tent doing more tuning, doing exactly what I'm doing here, but doing it out in the field. And hopefully we'll get some footage today so you can see what goes on and what some of the problems that people have with their cars.
Hopefully we'll be able to hear it, hopefully. We was all sitting here yesterday listening. Abe was pointing it out, but we could hear it straight away from how they was running to start with to nice and smooth after. And then I went and chased the Cobra up the road. So I was nice and happy yesterday. So
Glad to be of assistance.
thank you, Abe. Let's go.
Having fun?
Yes.
Run on fuel, Terry runs on rich teas.
With such a busy day, I was an idiot and didn't explain what was going on. I have the perfect chance now with my security team's car and the aid of narration. AC Dodd is very clever and able to hear how an engine's performing. With his tools, machines, knowledge and experience, he was able to dial these minis in. One thing I will never forget from this day is the type of dashboard oil to use. The right oil allows the dampener to move up and down quickly, whatever viscosity that is. Turning the fuel mixture right down, AC was able to start adjusting the fuel on the needle. Using the sniffer in the exhaust, a lambda sensor was giving an oxygen readout. The digital numbers allow AC to make minor adjustments on the needle at different revs. Bugs was lean at 1.0 and above. Low 0.9 is optimum. Using a timing light, it was easy to check the timing and its curve range. Then the waiting. Something about your Mini being revved and inspected by a pro is nerve-wracking. It does, however, only mean for better performance and engine health and longevity, and some cool tips along the way. Plenty of adjustment was needed on Bug's car, but check this smile coming up, and what a perfect opportunity to get the Minis dialed in this was.
You're in trouble now.
And
Very, very nice.
yeah, are you shaking?
I feel the difference. Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it.
Recommend this to anybody.
Like, go home and get your car. If you see Aid, go home and get your Mini.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Right, turn it off. This is loose.
Worried if it kicks down any longer it'll catch fire.
I've only done two today. Because none of them have been good. Right.
Right then, okay.
Or maybe two. Anyway, right. Let's see what we got.
Don't matter what oil we use for that either.
Sounds quite harsh. That's good, right?
Oh dear. Like a new cut. Sorry about that. Sorry, mate.
So as you can see, loads of Minis down here today. AC Dodd's churning them out for us. We've got a van lined up next. Skippy was there in his orange one, he's all happy. Got another happy customer, Mike. Really happy. This thing is an amazing thing that he's doing. Fine tuning just on the part throttle, how you would use the Mini all of the time rather than sort of the fine fettling and the tuning on a dyno, sort of full throttle. We have found quite a few issues with a lot of the cars. We are going to be improving the cars, ready for Aid to come down next time. This is something that we do want to do again. Such a nice community around there. Everyone's having a burger, a tea, a coffee, a chat, and then we're all watching Aid and listening to the Minis get better and better. So another happy customer here, I'm sure of it. So we've got Alex seen him before up at Santa Pod.
How you doing, guys?
Another happy customer?
Very happy. I'll tell you, it's so worth doing it. Very, very sort of how you do get a little bit nervous because someone's looking at your car and it's going to tell you things, but you know what direction you're going in, you know where to lead it, how it's going to drive, talking to the experts, and the more advice you can get, it's
so much experience and knowledge.
So much experience.
And it's sharing it all with us.
Big smile on it. It's not complete yet, but I know what I've got to do. And it already feels so much better. So
And it's going up and down the road now, so I'll get you again in a second.
I'm buzzing.
Big smile. Big smile and a little shake. That's what I want to see.
Great stuff.
Go on now. And?
Totally notice the difference. You notice the difference on every time you change gear. It's like that injection.
Straight off.
Oh. Ooh.
That's that little
Want to
mod
get
on the
back
front
out there again, yeah.
I turned up first thing this morning, I drove up the road and back.
I can't believe it. All those little windy little hills all the way up there and then just changing the gear. It's just like, wants to go.
Brilliant. You like shot, mate?
Well worth it, well, honestly.
Yeah, that's what I'm up to. See a bit different.
And what have you got next to do, Al? Leak and exhaust.
Yeah, manifold, got to do the exhaust, but I knew I've got to change all the system all the way through with the electronic ignition. Put that into a fast road curve.
Yeah,
on
rather
it,
than no curve.
Yeah.
Boom. Thank you, Al.
Thank you.
That one.
Thank you very much.
We're coming, we're doing this all the time.
It's brilliant.
And the van?
Yeah.
Pass first time. Well, I think we've got to say thank you to Aid. This is such a great, good service, and I'd recommend it to everyone. Everyone has come back with a smile on their face, so thank you, Aid.
It's all right, we've had some good cars today, and yesterday as well, so it's been really good.
I've learnt loads, and I can't wait to start trying myself.
Yeah.
And seeing what results we can get.
And you can, you know, even when you look at a standard cars benefit from being tuned just as much as modified ones. So.
Oh yeah, like you were saying with the Dizzy, wasn't it? It wasn't opening or advancing enough. And I hope that our community's left you with a little smile too.
Absolutely, because they're all happy people and they all.
He's got a very full wallet now.
They all very full pocket.
Yeah, they all pay.
They all pay, which is good. But they all realise the benefit of the tune-up, and that's the main thing for me. So that they realise that it's actually worth doing,
Rather than smoking
and it's actually it's actually what makes their car perform.
Rather than a load of filed needles.
Rather than a load of filed needles that
Tuners are killing engines.
Yeah. With extremely rich needle filing jobs from so-called experts on rolling road, which is very interesting. So,
and that would be something to be cool with you, Aid, is to go with you to a rolling road and see you finally tune them in.
Yeah.
Especially my one, not bugs.
Yeah.
Not So thanks again, Aid.
That's
really
all right. No worries.
it.
All right.
And please come back.
Will do. Absolutely.
Please. That's
No
it.
problem.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
So that's it, guys. There's another video done. We've had plenty of happy customers today. Plenty of people coming back with big mini smiles on their face. Thank you to everyone who come and got involved. And thanks to AC for coming down and having a look at our old worn out minis. Plenty of the same issues throughout the whole day. It's a massive learning experience for us. I've picked up so many little hints, tips, tricks, so much knowledge. He really is a top guy, Aid. And if you do get the opportunity to come down and see him, a big learning experience for us today is to make sure that your car's on point, the mini's ready, the timing's set as much as possible, the fuel mixture, all these little bits that he's been showing me today. He's such an approachable, helpful guy. If you ever get the opportunity, I'd go and take it straight up with him and go and get the car tuned. Most of the performance is in the tuning. It is an idle tune as such, or a static tune, but so much power and so much improvement can be made through just that tuning and making sure that it's on point. It's unreal. We've all been shooting up and down the road today and everyone's been coming back with a big smile, so it's well worth it. Any questions or comments, please don't forget to leave them down below. I'll get back to you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be lucky.